Hi friends, I'm Gina and I'm glad you're here. Today we're doing beef stroganoff in the Instant Pot. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this saute function here and let that start warming up. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add my beef stew meat.
One teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper.
I have a whole onion that I've diced up, chopped up, and it's made about 2 cups. I sliced up an 8-ounce pack of white button mushrooms. You can use a 16-ounce pack if you'd prefer. This is a teaspoon of thyme.
One tablespoon Worcestershire sauce.
Now I'm using 3 cups of beef broth. You could use chicken if you'd rather.
I'm using a tablespoon of garlic minced up, but you can use less if you like.
I'm gonna give that a stir. Turn off the saute function. Put the lid on. Make sure it's in the sealing position. Manual button, and I'm going to set it for 10 minutes.
Now I've let this natural release for a little over 20 minutes. You guys, if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and allow yours to, you can do a quick release. You don't have to wait, but that's usually what I do. Let's see if there's any. There's still a little bit left in there.
Now my plan is to cook my noodles in the Instant Pot after the meat gets done for about 4 minutes after this is done. But if you would rather, you could definitely cook your noodles on the stovetop. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. It means the world to me, and it helps me to keep my channel going for you guys. Also click that little notification bell so that you guys can be notified when I do put up new videos. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, I have a cup of sour cream. So I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to turn my saute function on. Start letting that melt, stir it in there. Okay, since that looks mostly melted, I'm going to turn the saute function off. Now I have a 12-ounce pack of egg noodles here, but you could use as much as 16 ounces if you like. I want to make sure that my noodles are all getting touched by the liquid here. If you guys don't feel like you've got enough liquid, feel free to add, maybe about a half cup of beef broth, but I feel like I've got quite a bit here, so I'm gonna
gonna leave it at that. Putting the lid on. Make sure it's in the sealing position. Hit the manual button and set it for 4 minutes. So the timer's gone off, so I'm gonna do a quick release.
You guys know this is my favorite part. That's really good. It's really good. Haven't always been a stroganoff fan, but this is really good. I've gotten a hold of some that just was rather on the bland side, I guess. This is good though.